I'm back. It's a Friday night, just knocked off work, went straight home, packed the car, and I'm ready. First overnight solo trip down here in Victoria, in the Otways, just off the Great Ocean Road. I'm telling you, gonna go find a camp tonight. I'm racing the sun. It's going down quick. It gets dark too quickly down here. I'm racing it, I'm telling you. Get a good camp, then tomorrow go see something nice and scenic. Let's do it.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the day I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too.
Damn, it got dark quick out here. Holy cow, I just got the tent up. In that 30 seconds, I reckon, it just dialed down. And it's because we're so far down here with all these big tall trees in the old rainforest. Got the chair set up. Alright, let's try this. Some dinner, right? Dinner in a satchel. Something I've never done before. Bit of spag bog, a bit of hiking dinner. I'm gonna see how this goes. It says, pull open basic corners and shake the bag to loosen the contents. And then remove any of the sachets and add some boiling water. It can't be that hard, but watch me mess it up anyway. Alright. Fresh water. I don't know how much to put in, but turn the gas on.
One hour later.
Alright, little break here. There's a reason. Gas bottle empty. That'll probably do it. So, attempt to now put the fire on, boil my water in the cooking pan from home, and see how it goes. I told you I'd mess it up within a minute. Alright, let's give that a crack. Alright, we're starting the fire. Got changed. Some fire lighters. We're doing it the cheap way because it's so wet in the rainforest. I suggest you need these. I don't need it, but it's just got some wood I prepared at home. Some dry bark off the tree there. And the lighter. But I'm not doing very good over here, am I? Okay, I've got a whole pack. Because Papa's going to need it. And if we can get this going, we can get some taco, eh? We got fire. Pretty cool, the campsite. I had no idea it actually come with the fire pit and all that. I thought I was going to have to make my own. But look at this. Got the pan, spinning pan here. Dando's campground, it's called. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. And it's actually pretty peaceful. There's a couple of people over there, but as you probably just heard, but it's peaceful. This is why we do it. Alrighty. This solo thing's hard. Setting everything up. Alright, 2 hours later, I wish I was almost kidding. We've got, oh that was wet, we've got our boiling water, our satchel, tear to add water. Tear it. Oh, that's what it comes out looking like. It smells actually really good. And that's without anything. Alright, get our water out. Steaming water. And we'll just somehow add it in. Alright, you gotta add it into the fill line, which I'm actually pretty close. Wish it's I'll add a little more. Don't recommend doing it like this at home, Jesus. Alright, then it's a resealable lid, like this. Right, and then we just leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and voila, it's done. Bit of a chef meal, eh? Alrighty. It's cooked. 15 minutes. I gave it a stir halfway, and I'm gonna be honest with you, didn't look great. Let's give it a crack, eh? It smells good. Can't wait. And the right, Ted. Give it a mix. This is how you do it. It's weirdly. I'm gonna get around it. I probably wouldn't suggest it for a fussy eater. Oh, bon appetit. I'm doing some Italian stuff here. Man, I think I should have been a chef. Let's get a fork. Spoon, I should say. Oh, bit of cheese, man. Hey, buddy. Want some? Bad luck. I'm either really hungry. I've only had the noodle. Hang on. It actually tastes alright. It tastes like canned spaghetti. Look, I probably could add the water a bit hotter, but you know, not actually that bad for 20 bucks or whatever it was, a bit under. It's not bad. I reckon perfect for like obviously hiking or even camping, just keeping it here. I think they don't go off for ages, so it's actually not bad. Not bad. Look at that. I had to bring 2 chairs for this little bugger. I snuggled in. He's under the picnic blanket, having a sook as usual. Look at this though. About to give him a go. Oh, there's the back of it. Colour changing flames. Chuck it on this bad boy. Let's do it. Wow! That is sick. You ready? Man, the camera does not do justice. That's actually pretty cool. A man in the woods throwing some colour changing flames. This is living, I'm telling you. Good morning. Morning out here, look at this. Oh man, it's cold. All the inside of the tent is all frosty up. And the outside is real wet. It's really cold in this hot ways. People over there already got their fire on. And Teddy, what are you doing? Oh, hello. He was ready to get up. Let's go pack up and go explore, eh?
Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I seek what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be
Man, look at this. The Otways has turned it up. It is bloody freezing out here, but it's like refreshing. I love the rainforest with a nice, refreshing, wet smell. And man, I just tried to put the drone up to go over this bridge. It looked pretty epic yesterday. It was flowing. But the drone has decided to have a calibration error. And I'm not that experienced, so I don't even know what that means. So it's not looking good. But we're still gonna travel on. Because man, we're going somewhere good. Woo! Little jelly over there, staring at me. At Stevenson Falls, look at this, pretty cool map. What? 650 metres to the waterfalls, so that is perfect for me because I'm not a big fan of the old wall. Look, Ted in action having a piss with his little girls lead on, but let's go and give it a crack. Teddy and I made it to Stevenson Falls! Woo! Made it down to Stevenson Falls right behind me. I'm telling you, this one was one of the most easy, accessible walks I've ever done, and one of the most beautiful walks for a waterfall I've ever done. This one is the best one I've seen in Victoria so far, and I've seen a couple. But it has been raining lately, so we've actually got a show on. Woo! This wraps up my first ever overnight solo camping mission, and it was successful. We went and saw a waterfall. That was one of the better waterfalls. Look at it, this is one on the walk here. It is amazing. We got to have a new dinner in a packet. That wasn't actually that bad. Would recommend giving it a go, just getting out there and living it up.